Hi Aquarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for March 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some oracle decks. Even Kipper cards is something that I'm going to dive into for your reading. Just begin your reading, Aquarius. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March 2022, we have the Four of Cups here. You see this lady here, she seems to be a bit withdrawn. In these final days, you were quite emotional, you were a bit distraught. Perhaps there were arguments with family members. Aquarians, you may have felt that people are two-faced, that they let you down. But things did fall in place for you. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that March is going to present for Aquarians is the Ace of Cups. I think you could be a bit flustered because your schedule could go for a toss. Maybe there's also going to be cancellation of your plans because this is in the challenge position. Even in personal relationships, I think you should not let ego come in the way. Maybe financial issues or money could create discord in your relationships. You should also be careful while working because there could be errors in your tendency to rush into things. Influences for this month, we have the Eight of Swords. You see this lady, she seems to be surrounded by swords, so there's going to be some negative energy around you which you need to combat. Maybe the excess pressure is also going to tell on you. Perhaps Aquarians, it's best to lie low or to keep a low profile. Like I said, your plans could be altered this month. Maybe others feel that you're a bit whimsical. Nevertheless, I think work-wise you'll make some concession. Maybe you're also somebody who's using your guile or you're using your impersonation skills to your advantage. I think because of the swords energy, you're going to push yourself and complete what you set out to do. Ideally, Aquarians, I think you should demand an advance before you get down to business because somebody could take you for a ride. Maybe you will feel upset because people take advice from you gratis or they don't offer payment for your services. Nevertheless, I think this March your creative side will be appreciated. Communication is also going to bring in gains for you. The first 10 days of March, we have the Knight of Pentacles here. This is a very stable and grounding energy. Maybe there are going to be work offers, but this night is very static. So this person is not moving forward. So these offers may not excite you. I think you want the status quo to be maintained. You don't want anybody to change your plans. Maybe you're also somebody who doesn't like scrutiny at work. I think your boss is somebody who wants to have a word with clients or with your juniors. So there could be some meetings lined up. Be rest assured that Aquarians, you'll have your way, so there's nothing to be distressed about. I think you're also somebody who's going to retaliate only when you're provoked. Maybe you should also be careful because some things could upset you. The next 10 days, that is 11 to 20th March, we have the Nine of Cups here. I think reward for your past effort is definitely going to be there for you Aquarians at this time. There are also going to be those opportunities which are yours for the taking. Technically also you could be a bit challenged. Maybe somebody is going to interrupt you while you're working. This could leave you hassled. I think this gives you an opportunity to work on your technical skills this month. You should also be persistent when it comes to getting your dues. Other than that, I think Aquarians paperwork or technical work is going to keep you busy. There are going to be those good beginnings, so you need to capitalize on the decent start before you accomplish your ends. Final days of March, we have the Ten of Swords here. You know, this energy is such that you could feel a bit helpless. Maybe you feel that your family is facing a lot of problems which seem insurmountable. Sometimes, you know, your instincts could also be disregarded or ignored by them. That is why you feel upset about the same thing. Incidentally, your responsibilities is also going to increase. Maybe staff are playing truant, they are not around, so you have to step up and take charge. Maybe this could also leave you a bit exhausted. Other than that, within the family, your loved ones may feel that you don't have clarity with respect to how you should proceed at work. Maybe they are baffled account of your decisions. Maybe you will realize that everything is cyclic in your life. Possibly, you'll make some bad decisions which could have a bearing on your future. But Aquarians, you should realize that these are the challenges that are going to strengthen you for your future. With respect to your love life, I have this card. The thought of you still does things to me. I think this person you're dealing with, or maybe someone fancies you, or perhaps you had a relationship with this person and there's a distance which has crept up, but this person definitely thinks about you, or he's reminiscing about the past. This month you're going to be quite flirtatious. I think the opposite sex is also going to assist you at work. Maybe there could also be someone who is charmed by you on account of your professional skills or your way with words. For some of you, this month is also the time when you could decide to write a short note or a message to the person you fancy. I think in case this is an on again, off again relationship, I think you won't be disappointed. Perhaps this person is always thinking about you. You are always on his mind. Aquarians, there's also the huge possibility that an ex-flame could reach out to you, but you're disinterested. Some Aquarians, there's also the possibility that the person you're dealing with may spurn your advances. Maybe this person is also hiding his feelings from you. Even if you are always on his mind, he is in denial with respect to the relationship. I think there could also be family opposition to your love life this month, so you should be careful in case yours is a secret romance. Other than that, Aquarians, in case you're already married, I think you could be a bit distressed on account of the decisions that your partner makes with respect to work. Maybe he loses an opportunity, so you're going to be concerned about financial affairs. The universe is also giving a message to you through this card which talks about destruction. You do see the 10 of swords here, you do have the 8 of swords here, so things are going to fall apart. Everything is cyclic, like I said, so the sun will shine, the day will give way to the night, and the night will give way to the day. So certainly, Aquarians, you should tone down your expectations a bit. Maybe you should also focus on self-worth. There could be choices here that you need to make. Maybe some of you also need to give up on old habits and patterns. But this destruction will definitely pave the way for metamorphosis. It will help you in your ascension. The last card in this reading is Pathway from the Kipper cards. I think the path is before you. It's yours for the taking. Either you can take the simple route ahead, or you can face those detours which are going to be there in March. But this is also going to shape your personality this month. Nevertheless, like I said, there's always light. The light is going to shine down on you sooner rather than later. I hope Aquarians, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.